Welcome to this Excel tutorial where we'll explore two effective methods for comparing dates against a specified date. Our first approach involves using a formula based on the if and DATEVALUE functions, offering a dynamic way to evaluate date conditions. The second method introduces the power of VBA Code for a more advanced and automated solution. Let's dive into the first method. Let's see the first method, where we'll employ a formula based on the if and DATEVALUE functions to compare dates in Excel. Assuming that you have a list of data that contain date values in Excel, you can use the if function to create a formula to achieve it. If the date is greater than the given date value, then return true. Otherwise, it returns false. Type this formula into a blank cell. Equals iodine monofluoride, V1 greater than date value, April 20, 2018. True, false. This formula checks if the date in cell B1 is greater than the specified date, April 20, 2018. The result will be true if the condition is met, and false otherwise. This method offers a straightforward and formulaic way to perform date comparisons in Excel. Press Enter key in your keyboard, and then drag the autofill handle over other cells to apply this formula to compare dates. Let's moving on to the second method. Let's leverage the power of VBA Code for a more advanced and automated date comparison solution. Press Alt plus F11 to access the Visual Basic for Applications editor. Click Insert and choose Module to create a new module. Paste the following VBA code. This simple VBA function compares the date in the specified cell, RNG, against a target date. Save and close the editor. You can now use this function in your worksheet, entering a formula like equals compare dates, V1, date value, April 20, 2018, to get the result. This VBA method allows for a more dynamic and automated approach to date comparisons in Excel. Thanks for watching. If you found these date comparison methods helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Stay tuned for additional tutorials to enhance your spreadsheet skills. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to share them in the comments below.